Abandoned buildings and overgrown streets. This is how Chornobyl looks 32 years after the nuclear disaster of 1986. It has few residents apart from the animals and birds. As of now, there are more than 3,000 people working at the Chornobyl nuclear plant, but it generates no energy. A solar plant, recently opened in the town, has only one engineer. He helped install the station and stayed there to work.
Everyone else, all in the town, is managing the aftermath of the disaster. I'm the only person producing power in the town. It's interesting for me.
Alexander's schedule depends on the sun. Usually he works from 10 a.m. until 5 p.m. The plant is fully automated. Alexander only controls its work and carries out maintenance. In the 1970s, he worked at the Chernobyl power plant as a specialist in control equipment. However, later he moved to Kiev and got interested in eco-friendly energy.
Coal and gas power plants may be cheaper, but no one can count how much sulfuric acid a gas plant would emit into the atmosphere and how much radioactive waste a coal plant would produce. In this case, the price is relative.
The solar power plant was set up 100 meters away from the sarcophagus. This place was once a wasteland. Now there are almost 4,000 solar panels here.
This plant generates 1 megawatt an hour. If I'm not mistaken, it's enough for around 1,000 apartments.
Investors are now planning to increase the station's capacity.
We want to turn it into something useful for people, instead of just a black hole where huge amounts of donors' money go. We want to increase the capacity of our projects to around 100 megawatts.
Alexander believes that green energy is the future.
The time of nuclear energy will come when mankind learns to treat it seriously. Until then, it's better not to do it.